Okay, I had to do this part 2 because I touched on the first video on the human genome and the different groupings of people, the main groups in the future. You've got those that are, of course, the naturals. They don't want any pollution whatsoever. They don't want anything to do with changing the person that they are, polluting their... They say, this is the way God created me. I don't want any changes. I'm not going to take something from another species. You have the people who use technology supplementation. Okay, that's where you wear the technology suits with the different stuff on it. Okay, you have the ones that are the recipients of cross-species gene pollinations, or they like to call them the mutants, even though they're not mutants, and that's come into question whether we're really imposing mutation on human beings or not. And in the last, tech supplementation is like partial technology. It's not actually infused into the person. The other part is because we do have the ability in the future to control things with our thoughts, which are actually wavelengths of almost like radio wavelengths, not like they are, I should say. We can control things with our thoughts, turn on devices, things like that. You've got a closest thing that you guys have today is like cybernetics, maybe, or not an android, but if something's happened to a limb, you can actually take that off and put a limb on there that's mechanical and control it. So I'll say cybernetic, because you can actually take limbs off and they can be replaced with limbs that are purely mechanical. You can actually include, it shouldn't be that far-fetched. You guys replace hearts in this time period and other organs inside your body with technology that does the job. So it shouldn't be that far-fetched to realize that. And each one differs a little bit more than others in their beliefs. And the tech supplementation, now here's something here. It can be one of two things. It's either something on your person, I'll say on you, or it could be dronal, like a drone. Instead of you going out on the field and fighting, you wear the suit, it's connected remotely to your mechanical you that actually goes out there, and as you think of what you want to do, you see through the drone's eyes. It has sensors, so you kind of have an idea without having to actually feel the pain, and the drone will do the job for you of fighting. So there you go. Just wanted to mention that. I don't think there's anything else at this point that I wanted to mention. I really wanted to mention that because this is how it breaks down.